What's up, guys? We're gonna use the backhoe some more because I got a few stumps I'm gonna go dig up over there. But let's see if the backhoe looks like. We got a jump box almost fully charged. I think it's like 80 something. 89. Okay. I'm gonna try it without the jump box. I don't have hope, or very high hopes, for it to crank without the jump box. Crap. You do? Okay. All the spider webs are gone. Yes, we gotta use the jump box. Sit. Hey guys. Definitely not sitting my phone in that position while I crank this up, because there's like right next to the battery bay. Because here's the battery bay, see, open. That's where I have my phone, like right here. So, yeah, that's a no. But perfect. 1 second. Things I hate about the backhoe right now, like if I press the gas pedal, it revs up a little bit. Throttle, the throttle's broken. And you need a throttle because it really is moving stuff like it's kind of boxed down. And the guy that helps us fix the backhoe stuff, we're trying to find a port, but we can't find a port. Or at least I think that's